What's going on, guys? It's the Flaming Game here. If you did just see what I had, I'm unboxing Pokemon this episode. So I'm gonna start with the smallest first. Yeah, just get straight to it. And I am giving away cards. So smallest first. I already unwrapped these because I don't know if some of your ears are sensitive, but I didn't do anything with them. So, yeah. But here they are. Let's just go. Okay, so the first one. Yeah, I'm terrible at this. Don't blame me. Okay. So, here's this, I guess. Yeah, I don't play that game. So, and then you put them in the back. Okay, first is a Rapidash. Rapidash. I don't know how to say this person's name. They got a Halatrawa. Forgot how to say his name. Litleo. Sneasel. A Yama. An Ipuma. This thing, I don't know how to say his name. Got this one, hot foil. Then, oh, dang it. 790X, it's a boost pack of balls. Okay, now I gotta break open this thing. Oh, it's way better. Yeah, I'm not in bed, it's just, I look ready for bed. I got pants on, of course. Some box move. Okay, got this stuff removed. Yeah, now let me get this one first. I forgot how to get these things out. Okay, just slide them. Okay, then this thing, which cool collection. Then basically Soul Flamer 9000's idea. Not really. I was also going to do unboxing Pokemon. One thing you want to know about me, I used to have a Pokemon addiction. Got another one. This GX. This is my first GX. I stopped my addiction, but now I have it again. That's why I stopped collecting for a while. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, I choose you. Now, alright. This one. Oh, heck. I'm terrible at opening these, that's why I didn't open them on camera. I forgot I have to open these. It took me 10 minutes like the other one. Not really, it took me 5, but take the scissors out. Yep. Here, this code. I have this open. 1, 2, 3, grab 3, then you pull them right here. Okay. So the first one is a trainer. And the next one's another trainer. Weird. Next one. Oh, yes. This like evolution thing is my favorite series. Like that's my favorite type of line. Magikarp. That's pretty old Magikarp. Brandon. Oh, it's like an old energy. What's that again? Staryu. It's a Staryu. Tangela, I already know that, but sing it. Okay, then a rat-tat. Not hard foil. Well, that's weird. It's not special or anything. Oh, it's because it's on. Oh! Hollow foil. And, ooh, that's level 40. That's level 45. Damn, sorry about this. Okay. Let's open up another one of these. I came with 2. I suck. I hope you guys can hear me. Ah! This would be an epic fail if you guys can't hear me. That was I didn't see that. Okay, I saw the first one. Sorry to do that. I said, code. 1, 2, 3. If this save gets corrupted, I'll be so mad. Okay, trainer. Oh, trainer. Oh, Charmeleon. I don't know how you say it. See, it's the guy I saw. Ooh, it's a wheel. It's a dodo. Staryu. Ooh. What's this guy? An Onyx. Munchop break. It's not even the last card. Put that in my rares. And then, seriously. Best card ever. It does 130 damage. What the heck? Darwin next. Oh, this was behind the dog. It's Houndry, I think it is. Houndry, I don't remember how you call it. That's what I'm just like that. And they would make it. Yeah. I'm getting better at this. Probably call it. Card. There. Card. Signature. 1, 2, 3. Making sure I do this right. Pretty sure it's 3, right? Yeah. Trainer. So, Kirlia. She's at a party. Another trainer. What? What's it for baby? Oh, it's a Sandrew. There's a sad version of this guy. I hate it. It's a Cabone. It's so sad. So long. It's most of its kind. It's a Noibat. Pika. Awesome. Ooh. Mewtwo Spirit Link. That's pretty cool. And is it 4? I'm pretty sure it's 3, right? Seriously. Same right. Last. Wait, hold on. Here we go, the big ones. Here's the big card. The really, really big card. The really, really big card. I only got one really good one so far. I'll put all my good ones in there, of course. Never when I saw the first one, so I don't know. Here's this. Probably, this is my longest video. 1, 2, 3. Tell me if it's 4 or not, because you probably saw one. Probably saw that. Okay, gonna get this. Oh, what is that? My collection. Nope. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Jigglypuff. Gotta have them Jigglypuffs. Ryu, I think it was. Yeah, Ryu. Sealy. These cards used to be so rare, like rare, so common to get. Oh, I hope this is a better card. The four, I don't know. Is it? That's not that bad. Let me show my haul foils that I got. Show everything that I got. The best for last, of course. Let me get them all out right now. Mix these all up. Okay, I'm drowsy. I promise at least one haul foil. I'm happy I got the breakthrough. I've never got a breakthrough. I've been given a breakthrough, but I've never gotten a breakthrough. This thing's upside down. I got 2 Digletts. No, oh no, that's an Onyx. I gotta add this to my Pokemon collection. Oh yeah. Sorry. Stuff. Where's my other one that I got? Oh. Okay, this is it. Okay. But I only opened 4. Okay, so I got this person. These are my really good ones that I got. Got this person. This one, the Mewtwo Spirit Link. The Drowsy, and my breakthrough that I got. Shoveled like this. Machamp Break. That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Oh. These are 2 that came with it. And these are my collection. And then get the big one. Okay. Hope you guys like it. Sorry this one was already the one that I already opened. Sorry about that. Hope you like it. Please leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. And it's really long. See you later, Flamers. Bye.